Hey sunshine lovers, ready to refresh your wardrobe with the hottest summer trends? In today's video, we are diving into the must-have fashion for 2024. Whether you are hitting the beach or brunching with friends, these looks will keep you chic and comfy all the season long. Stick around to see the coolest pieces and how to style them, because trust me, you don't want to miss out these trendy gems. So if you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and like this video and comment down below what you would like to see next. Thank you. Bye.